Hello everyone, this is Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we will be exploring the fascinating world of metal fabrication. Whether you are in the manufacturing business or engineering enthusiast or just curious about how things around you are made. This video will enhance your understanding of how metal fabrication shapes our world. So let's dive in.
1. Understanding the basics of metal fabrication. The term, metal fabrication, may sound complex, but it's just the process of creating metal structures by cutting, bending, and assembling. It's an essential process in the creation of everything from cars to skyscrapers. 2. The importance of metal fabrication in industrial applications. Metal fabrication plays a pivotal role in various industries including construction, automotive, and aerospace. It's what allows us to make precise, customized parts efficiently and at scale. Without metal fabrication, we wouldn't have modern technology as we know it. 3. Different types of metal fabrication processes. There are several types of metal fabrication processes, each suited to different needs. Cutting, folding, welding, machining, punching, and shearing are just a few examples. The choice of process depends on the design, requirements, and end use of the product. 4. Essential tools and equipment in metal fabrication. To carry out these processes, fabricators use a variety of tools and equipment, like plasma cutters, hydraulic brakes, and welding machines. Modern fabricators also use advanced technology like CNC machines and 3D printers. 5. Step-by-step guide to the metal fabrication process. Metal fabrication is a fascinating process where raw metal material transforms into a part or product that can be used in manufacturing. Here, we'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to the typical metal fabrication process. Designing the concept, cutting the metal, forming the shape, joining the pieces, and finishing touches. 6. The role of computer-aided design, CAD, in metal fabrication. Speaking of technology, computer-aided design, or CAD plays an indispensable role in modern metal fabrication. It allows fabricators to create accurate, digital models of their designs, reducing errors and improving efficiency. 7. Evaluating the quality and safety standards in metal fabrication. Quality and safety are of paramount importance in metal fabrication. Fabricators have to adhere to strict standards to ensure that their products are safe, durable, and reliable. This involves regular inspection and testing. 8. The environmental impact of metal fabrication and sustainable practices. Like all manufacturing processes, metal fabrication has an environmental impact. But increasingly, fabricators are adopting sustainable practices, like recycling scrap metal and using energy-efficient equipment. 9. Future trends in the metal fabrication industry. The metal fabrication industry is continuously evolving, with exciting trends like automation, artificial intelligence, and additive manufacturing on the horizon. These advancements promise to make fabrication even more precise, efficient, and sustainable. 10. Case study: successful implementations of metal fabrication in different industries. Now let's look at some real-world applications of metal fabrication. From the aerospace industry where it's used to make aircraft parts, to the medical industry where it's used for surgical instruments, metal fabrication is truly ubiquitous. In conclusion, metal fabrication is a vital industry that keeps many aspects of our modern life moving smoothly. From construction and manufacturing to automotive and aerospace, we can't underestimate the role of this industry. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.